Hello everyone, this is Antanas from CF Moto Thunder Racing team, and in this video we will show you how to change belt in the CF Moto C Force 1000. Step number 1, remove CVT cover. Step number 2, we need to screw M8 bolt to the secondary CVT. We are open wide the secondary CVT with this bolt, and we easily can remove the belt. After we removed the old belt, we are putting the new one. We need to unscrew the bolt to release the leaks. Let's make a check with a working engine. And you're ready to go. Enjoy your ride!